Hey everybody, we are on a marathon of opening Topps Fire baseball boxes. 5 in total. This is box number 4. Box number 1 through 3 has already been posted. You can go check those out if you want to see what I pulled out of those. Definitely had some nice hits come out of this stuff so far. $20 packs total. 1 auto, 1 jersey. Although I did pull a really good looking patch auto. Check that out. I don't remember which box that was in. 2, I think. If you want to go right to that. Stanton. Starting off with Stanton insert. Nito rookie, red Rosario. Sorry, flame Rosario. Hicks and Woodruff. There's an Aaron Judge and a chipper. Lopez, purple, numbered out of 99. Body 4, Donaldson, and George Brett. McCovey parallel. Ripped that pack apart, didn't I? Shoop, Hayes, rookie, Renfro, Cannons. Fired up Correa. I think I pulled one of those already. Sure, I'm starting to get plenty of duplicates now that I'm to box 4, and I've already opened 2 or 3 boxes of this stuff before. Machado parallel jersey. This is numbered out of 75. This is the green. Good looking orange piece against that dark green. Looks good. So there's the first hit, and it's not bad. This is my auto. It's also green to 75. Trying to think, that's why I got quiet. I think I pulled one of his autos, and I think the first box I opened to 25, I think it was. I think I've already sold it. This green, yeah, I like the green. So I guess this was the green box. Alright, let's keep going, see what else we get. Hopefully we'll get some good rookies. Still need some good rookie parallels. I did get an orange Ohtani in one box, but I'd love to get a super short print of a good rookie when there's so much potential. There's a Clemens parallel. With this being a really decent rookie class, there's a lot of potential here. I'd love to pull a Soto parallel. Apparently Soto's hard to get. If it took me 3 boxes just to get one of his base cards. The Verlander, flamethrowers. Scherzer. Still haven't pulled anything too crazy. Well, the patch to 25 was the shortest print, but I don't think I've pulled anything to 25 as far as just these base parallels. There's a Hamilton insert. Devers rookie. Simmons, Flame. Jeter, Robles, Chessie, rookie, Rizzo, Upton and Perez. Arrieta, Harrison, Stanton, Fulmer, green. 199. Bohr and Delmonico. Schwarber, Chris Bryant, Correa insert, Chapman, Kane, and Shaw. Maddox, there's another Soto rookie, finally. So I got two of those. There's a Gomez rookie orange to $2.99, sorry. Hernandez, I wish this had been the orange. Oh well. Get what you get. Frank Thomas, here's an Ohtani base rookie. I think this is the first base. I got the parallel, but just that one base. Scherzer fired up. And our last pack of box 4. Gomez, it's a red flame. Chris Davis, Verdugo rookie. That's it. Got the 2 greens in this box. Couple of decent rookies, couple of decent parallels. And that's it. Gonna move on to box 5, and you will see that posted very soon. Take care.